What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I have a Starbucks video for you guys. I know I've been gone for quite some time, but I'm back now. So I decided to do the banana split Frappuccino. I had this one requested, so I decided I was gonna do it. It's a little complicated, but I decided I was gonna do it for you guys today. So if you're excited, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's go to Starbucks. Okay, so I'm about to be a little complicated, and I just want to apologize now.
Okay, go ahead.
Can I get a grande strawberries and cream Frappuccino?
Mm-hmm.
Can I add vanilla bean powder?
Yep.
Add Java chips.
Okay.
I want a mocha drizzle on top of the whipped cream. And then, is there any way we can add a banana to that?
Let me double check and make sure I have a banana.
Okay.
It doesn't look like we have any. If you want, you can throw some blueberries in there.
Oh no, that'll just... Oh no, okay, I guess just leave it like that, that's fine.
Okay.
They have no bananas. So, this literally is not a banana split. So we're gonna have to do this all over again. So we're just gonna try it without the banana. So it's gonna be a split Frappuccino. And then I will have to do another video because I don't wanna, oh my gosh. This is, how did I, now I'm sad. I wanted to try banana, I'm sorry about my hair, I don't know what it's doing. I wanted to try a banana split Frappuccino because I got I got a recommendation, I can't freaking speak, and to try it. So we're just gonna try the Frappuccino with vanilla bean powder and chocolate drizzle on top. So I don't know how it's gonna be, and we can imagine it with a banana, and then I'll have to do another video sometime soon of the actual banana split, which kind of sucks, but it's okay.
Yeah.
Awesome, thank you. Okay guys, so like I said before I got the drink, they actually didn't have a banana, so it's not a banana split. This is just gonna be everything without the banana, so it's a split Frappuccino. So I guess I'll just rate it based on how it tastes without the banana in it, and then eventually I'll do a video with the banana in it. But I'm pretty sure you can just like guess how it would taste with a banana. It also said if you like caramel, you can add it for like, it's like optional like thing you can add if you add it on your banana splits. I personally don't, so I didn't add it on mine. But it's a grande strawberry cream Frappuccino with vanilla bean powder, mocha drizzle, which is only supposed to be on the top, but they added it inside as well, and then add Java chips. So we're just gonna go ahead and taste it. It's kind of a fail, but it's okay, I guess. Oh my god, that's actually like really, really good. It would taste like a banana split would taste without the banana, if that makes any sense. I mean, it really does make sense. Oh my gosh, that's so good. That's like really, really good. And I love the Java chips in here. So I personally really, really like it. Even though it's supposed to have a banana in it, this is like an 8 out of 10. Like, I totally recommend this. It's so freaking good. I wonder what it would taste like with a banana. Obviously it'd have like a banana taste to it. I'm not huge on bananas, but I'll eat it and like it won't be like, ew, like a banana, but like this tastes amazing. So I guess I'm gonna have to come back sometime soon. I'm sorry about the lighting, I don't know what is up with it. I'm gonna have to come back sometime soon and get it with a banana because it's literally so good. I can only imagine how it would taste if it was made how it's supposed to be made. But I definitely recommend it to you guys. You should definitely go try it. It's really, really good, even though they didn't have a banana, like I said. How many times can I say banana throughout this video? But thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below video ideas in the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.